Smart Doorbell Mounting Guide. Your Smart Doorbell comes with a mounting template, backplate, screw pack and wedges. You'll need a power drill, 6mm drill bit, a pencil and a Pozidriv screwdriver. Mount your doorbell on a flat surface about 5 feet off the ground, using the backplate and mounting template. Use the Sky Smart Home app to check the live view. Use the wedges to adjust. If you're mounting on wood or plastic, use the screws to secure the backplate. If you're mounting on brick or concrete, drill 2 holes with a 6mm drill bit. Insert the wall plugs and use the screws provided to secure the backplate. Align the doorbell and the plate, then press down until the doorbell clicks into place. Place your smart home sticker in your front window. You'll get a notification when your doorbell needs charging. Use the pin provided to remove the doorbell from the backplate. For more information, go to the Help and Support section or use the chat in your Sky Smart Home app. Check out more Sky Help videos and remember to subscribe.